Hi everyone. So for today's video we're going to look at an application of intervals. Okay, and so here we're given a graph and it says it shows the velocity of an object moving along the x-axis over a 5-second period. Alright, so let's remember that this is a velocity graph. Okay, so it's the rate of change graph. And so let's see, it says if the object started 2 meters to the right, where is the object after 3 seconds? So alright, so it's starting 2 meters to the right, which means I'm starting at 2. So we're looking for the placement here, or the position. Alright, and then it goes, let's see, where's the object after 3 seconds? So really what we're looking at from where it starts, from 0 to 3, of this function here. I don't know what v of t is. But we have the graph here to kind of help us. So this is the same thing as, running out of room already, 2 plus, now remember this, right, we don't have it, we have the graph, but it's looking at from 0 to 3, so 0 to 3. We're looking at this part of the graph right here, so we're looking at this area right here. So that's a positive, which means it's going towards whatever destination this object is going towards. So because it's positive, let's see, I gotta find the area underneath there. So let's see, area. Well, I can see that this part right here, there are 4 boxes there, so that's 4. And then I have this piece right here. But if you notice, let's see if I can use a different color here. So this little triangle here is the same area as this little triangle here. So if I were to like shift that area a little bit, we could see that that area is the same as one of those boxes. So in 3 seconds, let's see, the area under that curve is the same as 4 plus 1, which is 5. And that would give us a total of 7. And I don't see units here. Oh, meters. 7 meters. Okay. Alright, so part B, where is the object after 5 seconds? So again, it's starting at the 2 meters. And then we want to know the distance it's traveled here, positioned 0 to 5, again, of this function. And so I have 2 plus, so what we're going to do is, we know what it is from 0 to 3. We've kind of figured that part out already. However, from 3 to 5, we have this area. Now that area is, well, right there, it's negative. It's below the x-axis. So if you think about it in terms of, where is this object going? It's going away from wherever the starting point was. So it's moving away. So what we're going to have here is we're going to have the 5 from 0 to 3. So it's kind of split into 2 pieces here. So from 0 to 3, it's 5. But then it's moving away, so it's going to be a minus. And we're looking for that area here underneath. So just like we did before, let's see. I can count here, there are 2 boxes there. And then if I look at this piece right here, this little triangle is the same as this one. So that's really like another box there. So that total combination is 3. And so if I add and subtract there, 2 plus 5 is 7, minus 3 is 4. So it's 4 meters. Okay. And then part C says find the total distance traveled by the object over the 5-second period. So now we're looking at total distance. Okay, so we don't care if it's moving away from where it started and moving closer to where it started. We're looking for the total. And we're just looking at where it's traveled. Right? So we're not going to start with that 2 because the 2 is where it started, right? But we don't really care. We're just looking at how far it's moved over the 5-second period. Well, we know from 0 to 3, and I guess let me just say this too, because I know it's in our notes. Really, what does this mean is we're looking from 0 to 5-second period, And because we're looking at total distance, we're looking for the absolute value of this. Okay, so that's, if you look back at the notes, you'll see that notation there. And remember, if you take the integral of the absolute value of velocity, that equals your total distance. And so from this picture, we can see, which we've already done in parts A and B, from 0 to 3, we had 5. So it's going to give me 5. And then from 3 to 5, we had that area of 3. So notice now it's a plus, okay, because we're looking at the total distance traveled. And the total distance together will give me 8 meters. Okay, so this is these are a little slightly different. Remember, 8 meters of total distances traveled, but the 7 meters and the 4 meters that you see here is how far it is from where it started.